We are at the airport. Let's do this. We're at Newark Airport. My grandpa just dropped us off. And I have my CalPack luggage, my little Dior tote. And Mom and Cass are up there. So we just checked in through security. And we're headed to Hudson News, which is my favorite place to go to before a flight to get all the snacks in the world. But I have to show you guys my airport look. The best. There's nothing better. There's nothing better than this store, I'm telling you right now. There's something about it. There's a little Hudson News Hall. This is going to be my lunch because there's nothing in this airport. And, oh, my nails. How cute are they? Love. Here's my airport OOTD. This little set from Bowen T. Drew socks. These little slides from Ego. And this bag. And we board in 25 minutes. Just a little update to our trip. Our flight was delayed 1 hour, and which isn't too bad because it was raining this morning. It is 12:37 right now. We board at 1. We had some lunch, which was literally just a snack pack of meat and cheese. So there's nothing else here. But of course my bag was like 60 pounds and it has to be 50. So I had to literally go on my hands and knees and undo my suitcase and take out a ton of stuff and put it in our carry-ons. Which is just so annoying. She let me pass at 54 pounds. But I think it ended up being 51 because I took a lot of stuff out. So yeah, I'm super tanned up. Really excited for tonight. On the agenda, we have checking in at the Sagamore Hotel, and then we are going to dinner at Katsuya, which is a sushi place at the SLS, which is next door to the Sagamore, which we love that place. We actually ran into Olivia Culpo there last year, which was so fun. But that's all we have planned for today, and then tomorrow is our first like beach day. So obviously we'll be vlogging all that, but I just can't wait to get there and be in warm weather and you know, like get all situated and stuff. So
once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard American Airlines flight number 1370 to Miami. Your flight crew for this flight today is Captain Stephen Stegman. He is assisted and accompanied by the first officer.
Usually I like my situations beneficial. Doing something different, got me looking stupid. The only way I'm coming back to you is if you're dreaming. Lucid, prove it. If you made a promise, then keep it. Why you wanna lie and then get mad? I don't believe it.
we made it to the Miami airport. It's so much brighter here. I don't know where baggage claim is.
Mom?
I don't think it's there.
Mom, you have to put it back up.
Where? 100%?
We need a full circle.
Yeah. No, like this is fine. I'm in control here. God. Entering the Sky Train. Oh my God, it's hot. We have to go get our baggage. Yeah.
What?
In case anyone's wondering, I'm embarrassed.
What'd she say?
We have arrived at the Sagamore. It is actually, I think, 100 degrees out, so. Oh, look at that service. Can't believe we're back.
This is new. That's pretty actually. And these lounge chairs are
Sand. The beach. It's so pretty.
Oh my God, it's all alive again.
Alive.
There's a lot of seaweed,
Which there wasn't last time. So we're at this cute bakery called Rosetta across the street from our hotel just to get something quick before dinner because we have 2 hours and we're starving. So we're getting this focaccia bread. And then we're gonna go back and get ready for dinner. Let's go get ready for dinner. Dinner's actually like right there, so we don't have a far walk, but it's so hot out, so I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. Not taking any pictures tonight, just being casual. So this is dinner night one look. Pants from Misguided, top from Parallel Apparel. All these necklaces are from different places. Misguided, Forever 21 maybe. This is from a brand Got To Go, GTG, G2G, and this is from New Top Jewelry. Just a simple going out to dinner look tonight because it's our first night here and we just got in, so didn't want to get too dressy, so just threw my hair back, put on some makeup and the necklaces that I want to wear for the week. And oh, my shoes are from Ego. They're like these little Bottega knockoffs. But we're going to Katsuya, which is some of our favorite sushi. It's next door. I'm so excited to eat there. We ate there twice the last time we were here, so we decided we would go tonight. And yeah, so I will see you guys at dinner. We're in Miami. Headed to dinner. Go Cass. Just the look for the night. SLS Hotel for dinner. How cute is that? Cass, get in. Cass, get in. Go in. Pretty. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Oh my God.
This is exactly where we met Olivia Colbo, actually. Right on those steps. Oh my God, stunning, right by the pool.
You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Here are the drinks that we ordered. I got the Jasmine Margarita. Excited to try it, right up my alley. My mom got some sort of citrusy lemon thingy. And Cass got, I don't know what.
It's called the Lotus Flower. It's a fruity vodka drink.
Cheers, ladies. To vacation. So we got Wagyu Gyoza, sickening. Edamame to start, and we're waiting on 2 other orders for us. And my mom got like a chicken. So right here is the only reason I came back to Miami. This is the spicy crispy tuna rice, and it's insane. Me and Cass both got one. They're literally $20 each. They're insane. And if you come to Katsuya, this is what you get. All right, this is our last part of the meal. We got rock shrimp tempura over a spicy tuna roll. This is my mom's meal. It's like a chicken and rice mashup at this point. But pool is looking so cute, and Cass is gonna jump in after dinner.
Enjoy, ladies.
Thank you. A mask? How COVID? This isn't our hotel, so. So we just finished dinner. Now we're walking around Collins Ave, which is like the main strip that we're staying on. It's really popping down here. I'm actually shocked to see a lot of people wearing masks that I thought people weren't going to, but a lot of people are. It doesn't feel like I'm here. It's like a dream. We're walking past Kith. This is actually where we went to Kith for the first time. They have Kith treats here too, which is like the best ice cream. Maybe we'll go there tomorrow, but we're walking back to the hotel now. It's a nice breezy night. It's actually super humid, but it's really nice. Good morning, Miami. It is day 1, and we are actually headed to Joe and the Juice to get some juices for breakfast. And this is my outfit today. I'm wearing a Frankie's bikini top. It is so nice and sunny out today. I actually braided my hair on the sides. And curled it. But yeah, this is the look. We're gonna go on the beach all day and have ourselves a day. I'm living my greatest life here. It's an actual paradise. We were actually just on the beach for about 2 to 3 hours, and we're coming back to the pool to just hang out, grab a coconut at the bar. And we also have bikes at the hotel, so we're gonna do that. But we're gonna chill in the shallow end of the pool for a bit, and then, yeah, eat some lunch. Like, can you even handle this weather? So we just got some coconuts to enjoy at the pool. My nails look really cute with them. And then they actually put extra coconut water in the cups. So we're gonna drink this and this and enjoy it literally on the shallow end right here. It's actually insane. Like, watch this. Just, I'm gonna sit. Like, enjoy my coconut, have this view. Are you kidding? I don't mean to brag, but I mean, this is insane. We are back from the pool / beach. I threw on this little terry cloth set from Pepper Mayo. We're gonna go bike riding around the beach. This is where we're staying in a few days. The one looks sickening. So does the beach over there. Their cabanas look so nice. But they have a lot of it guarded off. It's such a big hotel. But from what we can see, it looks so cute. There it is. Hey hotel. See you in a few. Hey guys, it's a bit later now. We got dressed for dinner and pictures. My outfit, top and pants are from Dish with 2 S's. Glasses are Vela, same necklaces as yesterday. Bag is Shein, and the shoes are Gucci. But we're gonna go find a place to eat now. We don't have a reservation anywhere. Just walk around town, and then I think we're going to a club tonight, so that'll be fun to show you guys. It's called Mr. Jones, so. We made it to our favorite Yardbird. We have a reservation on Tuesday, but it's fine. We're still going twice today. I refuse to eat outside, it's a million degrees. We love it here. Here we are at our favorite Yardbird. Oh, this is the wine? Oh no. Here we go. This menu is exactly like Root and Bone, I think, is the restaurant I went to in New York. The same owner. It's really similar, but we love it here. Dying for the classic buttermilk biscuit, deviled eggs, green tomato.
They don't have that.
Oh my god, it all looks really good. So we got biscuits with honey butter.
Yeah.
Honey butter, I think? Honey and butter, maybe. I'm not sure. But these biscuits look
No, apple butter. It's apple butter.
It's apple butter and butter. Mouth watering.
Christmas tree.
These are the deviled eggs. They look so cute.
It's a literal Christmas tree.
How cute. We also got some grits, cheesy grits that looks insane. Mango salad. That also looks really good. And last but not least, our sweet tea braised short rib with mashed potato and vegetables. The big feast here, and it's so to die for.